I'm going to show this Nikon F2 Photomic that I have right here. I'm going to show you how to use the light meter. And first off, you need to turn on the light meter. How you do that is by exposing this red dot from this shutter lever here. You can see here, the moment I turn it on, the meter reacts to light, and as I change the shutter speed, you can see that it changes according to my setting. So the light meter is actually responsive. And the same thing, turn on. Let's see inside. So you can see the meter in the viewfinder. And sorry, it's not very clear now. Yeah, alright. Maybe this is better. So when I actually adjust my settings, you can see that the needle moves. See? Alright. So one more thing. You can see here, this is where you adjust the ISO. So let's say, for example, like your film. Let me give it a zoom in. Let's say your film is an ISO 200 film, right? So if you want to do overexposure of half a stop, you change your setting. Despite your film is still ISO 200, you put this dot on your ISO 200 film. This is an overexposure of half a stop. And I'm not sure why they did not do the etchings for, you know, more overexposure, but maybe because like film doesn't do well in under overexposures. But okay, let's say you want to underexpose your film. Okay, now this is the proper setting for an ISO 200 film, box speed 200. And if you want to overexpose, if you want to underexpose by half a stop, you do this. This is half a stop of underexposure. This is one stop underexposure, 1.5 underexposure, and 2 stops underexposure. So yeah, for example, like I want to underexpose my film, my ISO 200 film by 2 stops. I point the 2 towards the 200 and meter my film according to this setting. Then you actually underexpose according to 2 stops as shown right here. Alright, so there you go. This is the Nikon F2 Photomic. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share, and thank you so much everyone for joining by. See you guys next time. And before you leave, I wish to remind you and let you know that the Lord Jesus Christ was crucified for all of us and resurrected. He loves all of you and He heals. So see you guys next time. Bye. God bless.